Hi, this is Hannah Chen, Carrie Raleigh Realty. I would like to introduce my newest listing, 517 Hanover Road in the Ashburn subdivision. We are having an open house this Saturday, 2 to 4. We'd like to invite you to check it out. Welcome, come on in. Look at the dining room with the tray ceiling and recessed light. Beautiful kitchen. What a luxurious primary retreat.